This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering the raw material, headings, page numbers, and any source ID you will use. Once you have those, choose alphabetical or thematic order so the structure is clear. Make sure to open your index template or a blank document and set your font and margins now. This avoids reformatting later. As you start entering the first entries, type short index keys and attach page numbers. This immediate action keeps momentum and prevents lost details. Now you populate entries with consistency: term, colon or comma, page numbers, and a qualifier if needed. Once done, group related subentries using indents or clear separators so readers scan quickly. Make sure to run a passive find and replace to fix capitalization, punctuation, and repeated typos. This saves manual edits. As you work, verify page ranges and merge duplicates, and keep an eye on ordering rules, so the finish by proofreading alphabetical or thematic order, checking cross-references, and confirming page accuracy. Then format leaders and tabs stop so dots and columns align, and standardize punctuation across entries. If page numbering came from a draft that changed, rebuild or regenerate numbers rather than editing manually, because mismatches are the most common problem. If things go wrong, restore your saved version and reapply batch fixes. That one reliable reset often resolves stubborn
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.